about matter. So does anyone know what matter is? Matthew?
Gas, solids, liquids, and helium.
Good job. Helium is actually a type of gas. So yeah, there are 3 states of matter. Solid, liquid, and gas. So does anyone know what a solid is? Go ahead.
It is something that is not made out of liquid, gas. It is just like solid.
It is solid. Does anyone know anything else about it? Griffin? You forgot? You know?
And I think it's really hard.
It's hard. Yeah, so a solid is something that keeps its shape. So no matter where you move it or where it is, it's always going to be the same shape. So does anyone know an example of a solid? Brayden?
A teddy bear.
A teddy bear. Yeah, that would be solid. Anyone else? A chair. Ebuka? A cup. Brett?
The pointer.
The pointer. Yeah, those are all solids. So now we have, that's the first state, and the second state is liquid. So who knows what a liquid is? Mia?
It's
Forgot? Do you know what it is?
water.
Yeah, those are all examples of liquid. So liquid, if you have it in one cup and pour it into another cup that's a different size or a different shape, it's going to take the shape of that container. So a liquid can take the shape of whatever it's put in. So if you put it on your desk, it's going to spread out. And if you put it in a little cup, it's going to stay in the cup. So what are some examples of a liquid? Yeah?
It's like watery stuff that just moves. What are we using? Like if you put it in a cup, it stays in the cup, and if you put it on the floor, it spreads and
Yeah.
it can stay.
So do you know an example? Do you know one?
Example
Of a liquid.
liquid, it's kind of like, well, sometimes it could be it's big, sometimes it's big, and sometimes it could be small.
So what's an example of, so like solids, we had the chair or a cup. So what is an example of a liquid? Yeah?
Maybe like the Pepsi.
Yeah, Pepsi would be a liquid. Same?
7-Up?
7-Up, yeah.
Up 7-Up.
You know one? Sodas, yeah, sodas. Well, okay, one more, Brayden.
Pickle juice.
Yeah, pickle juice would be.
That one.
You have one?
There is something called pickle juice.
Oil, yeah, that's a good one.
Pickle juice
Okay,
is
so
a
now we're
solid.
going to move on to the next state of matter, which is gas. Do you guys know what gas is? What's gas?
It's smoke. It's smoke and air and other types of gases that kind of move around
Yeah.
really fast and slow.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So gas, sometimes you can't see it. Like the air that we're breathing right now, that's a gas. So sometimes you can't see gas, but it's always there. So gas always takes up space and it can spread out anywhere. So if you had a bag of air and then you popped it, then the air would spread out throughout the air. So does anyone else know any other examples? Do you know one?
The gas that comes out of a car.
That would actually be, oh, you mean like out the back of the car when you're driving? Yeah, that's a good one. Matthew?
Oil.
Oil, that would actually be a liquid. That's a good try though. Brett?
Helium.
Helium, yeah, so like when you blow up a balloon, that would be a gas too. Okay, one more. Do you know one?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen, good one. That is a good one. Okay, so now we're going to do this little matching worksheet. And so we have the 3 states of matter, so solid, liquid, and gas. And then we have these little sheets that have different examples. So you're going to cut these out and then place them in the correct category. So there's things like wind or magnet or rain. So then, so like wind, what would that go in? Yeah? Gas, yeah. And then where would rain go? Kavya? Liquid, yeah. So then you're going to put them where they go and you'll glue them on, and then when you get done you can color them. So you guys can go back to your seats and I'll pass these out.
We have helpers of the day then.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Do the helpers of the day want to come help me?
How come you taking a picture?
Pass one of those out to everyone and pass one of those out.
And Samantha, if you need help, let us know. But it looks like you're operating pretty well there. Do you want me to stop it now?
that's good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure. Whoops, I pushed. It's still going.